Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, March 27th, 2018. Well, we have high pressure and complete control this morning, and with that, we have clear skies and light and variable winds, and that has allowed temperatures to plummet in some cases all the way down into the upper teens to lower 20s, where we had some really strong radiational cooling. So, what we have here is a combination of clear skies, light winds, and a snowpack that, though it's melting, it's still present, and so it allows temperatures to really fall off. So there's a huge difference between, let's say, portions of the Pine Barrens where we're down to 18 degrees to the New York City metro and Philadelphia metro where we're in the upper 20s to lower 30s. The good thing is that these temperatures will warm up and will rise up into the mid to upper 40s for this afternoon. It's still well below normal for this time of year, but at the very least above freezing. And even better news is that tomorrow for lows will be above freezing in the mid to upper 30s throughout much of the region, which is going to allow for this snowpack to really melt off and also prevent some icy issues for tomorrow morning. But this morning, definitely watch out as you're going out in the parking lots, sidewalks, streets, as there will be some ice from this melting snowpack being a threat for the region. On the latest surface maps, you see high pressure right over the region. Now, this high pressure system is going to be shifting off the coast. And that means we're going to start seeing more of a southwesterly and then southeasterly wind take hold. That's going to lead to an increase in moisture in the atmosphere, an increase in cloud cover, and possibly a few isolated showers. But there's so much dry air in the atmosphere that the rainfall that is developing in the Ohio River Valley that's approaching the region is just going to dry up. So most locations will remain dry for today all the way on through Thursday until we get a cold front passage on Friday. And even that, we're just looking at a few scattered showers. You can see here on the infrared satellite picture that moisture running right into the dry air that's in place. You can just see it just being eaten up as it's pushing in here. How dry is the air? Some portions of the atmosphere, when you look at the vertical cross section, are as low as around 5% humidity, relative humidity in the atmosphere. Okay, so when you have that type of dry air in place, you're going to see all moisture approach the region, and we can see that right now on the radar. You can see all this rainfall approaching the region. When you look at the observations, though, nothing's falling on the ground around Pittsburgh. Very little in Ohio. And as this is pushing to the east, it's going to run into that dry air. And what we're going to see is what we call Virgo, where we have precipitation falling from the clouds, but nothing reaches the ground. So again, can't rule out an isolated shower, but it'll be very weak, very brief, and really won't have a major impact on the weather pattern overall for the next several days. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Look for increasing cloud cover, temperatures rising into the mid to upper 40s. For tonight, look for increasing clouds continuing with tomorrow morning looking for the threat for a few isolated showers, otherwise variable cloud cover, lows in the mid to upper 30s. Tomorrow afternoon, a warm front will lift through. Again, isolated showers a threat, but for the most part, look for variable cloud cover with highs in the mid to upper 40s. For Thursday, the cold front boundary remains well to our west. We have this warm front that's basically going to wash out. It's basically in place because we have our high pressure system here in the Canadian Maritimes and warmer air trying to push northward. Again, can't rule out an isolated shower, but for the most part, we're looking at just variable cloud cover and a huge thermal gradient setting up. Thursday morning, look for lows in the lower to mid 40s. Thursday afternoon will be highly dependent on where you are located. If you're right along the coast or on Long Island, we're looking at highs anywhere from the upper 40s to mid 50s. If you're in the Delaware River Valley, or pretty much anywhere just to the northwest of the New York City metro, you're looking at temperatures ranging anywhere from the lower 60s to possibly even the lower 70s right in the Philadelphia metro, right in the Delaware River Valley. So a huge range in temperatures here. And the reason why we have that is that with this warm front pushing northward, you get southwesterly winds, and those winds are coming right off the Atlantic Ocean. So as a result, you're getting water temperatures are around 40 to 45 degrees being pushed right into the coastal plain, and that's why we get this huge thermal gradient compared to locations, let's say in the Delaware River Valley, where the southwesterly wind is coming right in from the southern mid-Atlantic and the Tennessee River Valley, which of course is warmer. On Friday, a series of cold fronts will move through the region with waves of low pressure. Look for scattered showers, but not a washout on Friday. Look for lows in the mid to upper 50s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. On Saturday, a few showers in the morning, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon. Lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s, highs in the mid to upper 50s. On Sunday, high pressure and control with clear skies, lows in the lower 40s, highs in the mid to upper 50s. On Monday, a cold front will approach with increasing clouds and a few showers towards the evening hours. Look for lows in the mid 40s, highs in the mid 50s. And on Tuesday, high pressure will build back in with scattered cloud cover expected. Lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather. And as always, stay safe out there.